Buffalo chicken soup. Do you want a healthy alternative to chicken wings and love soup? Then this recipe is for you. The first thing you need to do is chop your vegetables. You're going to chop 1.5 cups of carrots, 1.5 cups of celery, 1.5 cups of onion, measure 1.5 tablespoons of minced garlic, and then you need 2 tablespoons of butter. Turn the Instant Pot onto Sautee for 7 minutes. Melt the butter and then add the carrots, celery, onions, and garlic into the pot, stirring every few minutes. The Instant Pot will turn off after the 7 minutes. Now add 1 tablespoon of flour and stir. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Next, I added 7 cups of chicken broth. Now add a 1/4 cup of sour cream. You could sub plain Greek yogurt as well. And then I added 1 can of corn. You could use fresh or frozen corn as well. Next, I added a 1/4 cup of Frank's Red Hot sauce. You could use a mild wing sauce if you're not into spice. Add salt and pepper to taste. Lastly, add your chicken breast. I used 4 chicken breasts, which was approximately 2 pounds. Now close the Instant Pot and make sure your vent is sealed or closed. Now turn the Instant Pot on to pressure cook for 11 minutes. Once the soup is done, carefully open the vent to let the steam out. Once it's done venting, you can open the lid. You will remove your chicken breasts and use 2 forks to shred the chicken. Add the chicken back to the Instant Pot and it's ready to serve. Honestly, this soup is delicious just like this, but you can choose to garnish it with sour cream and cheddar cheese as well. Now, if you are a strong girl and you're trying to keep this on plan, after you shred the chicken, you can measure it to the proper amount of protein that you need in a meal. Then you can scoop out the broth and vegetables, put that into a bowl or a container, and add your chicken after. I promise you will not be disappointed with this soup. It is on plan and delicious. I put the recipe in the description below. Thanks again for the recipe, Christy.